There's a lot of research that indicates that yoga postures, a session of doing yoga, can really reduce cortisol, which is the stress hormone in your body and in your system, so that you find a sense of calmness and peace. And I've got a wonderful yoga posture combined with the breath that can really give you a great sense of calmness whenever you practice it. It's called the full yogic breath, but it combines a posture. So let me, first of all, we've got to make sure that we get the breath right first that goes with this special posture. All right, so first of all, I want you to stand up and place your hands below your navel. We want to make sure that we're breathing properly because you're going to combine your breath with this movement, okay, to help bring you peace and calmness. Now, once we go through this, you'll be able to do this without going through all these steps, right? Once you go through these steps, you'll be able to do it without these steps, and you can do it anytime you want to. So here we go. Your hands are below your navel. Now, what I'd like you to do is breathe through your nose and breathe in such a way that you fill up your abdomen so that your hands move away from your body as you breathe in. Ready? So let's breathe in and feel your hands move away because that means you're filling your abdomen. And now I want you to exhale and feel your abdomen come in. Do it again. Breathe in. Exhale. Feel your hands coming in towards your body. Breathe in and exhale. Good. You know, a lot of people don't breathe properly. So that's what we're looking at now is how do we breathe properly? Get the right breath going. And now place your hands on your ribs. This time we're going to combine what you just did. You're going to fill your abdomen. Then you're going to begin to fill up so that now your ribs will rise up. So you're going to fill your abdomen first, and then you're going to continue to breathe in so that you can feel your ribs rise. All right, so let's do that together. Fill the abdomen, raise the rib cage, and now exhale and feel your rib cage coming in and then your abdomen coming in as you exhaled. Good. Now inhale again, fill up the abdomen, feel the rib cage rise. Now exhale, feel the rib cage come in, feel your abdomen emptying. Good. Now, the last part of this to get the breath right before we do the movement is place your hands above your breasts. Okay, this time you're going to fill your abdomen. You're going to inhale so that your rib cage rises like we just did. And then as you completely fill your lungs, your hands are going to raise up on the top of your chest. So, okay, ready? Here we go. Now begin to breathe in, fill your abdomen, feel your rib cage rise. Now keep breathing so you can feel your hands rising. Now exhale, hands go down, rib cage comes in, abdomen comes in. Good. Now let's do it again. Fill your abdomen, have the rib cage rise. Now feel your hands rise as you complete the breath. Exhale, hands go down, rib cage comes in, abdomen empties. Very good, very good. That's breathing fully and completely, right? That's like a full yogic breath. Now we're going to combine that breath with movement, we call it a full yogic breath, posture, movement. That is for establishing calmness in your body, all right? So what we're going to do is you're going to lean over, and now if you have back problems, then this probably isn't the best thing for you to do, but do it. If you feel like you can do it, then do it gently and work with your body. So you're going to slightly flex your knees, and you're going to bend over. You're going to bend over, let your hands hang, And now you're going to be making this motion with your hands coming up. And as you make this motion, you're going to be doing the breath that we just practiced. Okay? You're going to do the breath that we just practiced. So, I want you to bend over like this now. Flex your knees slightly. And now, as we begin to come up, you're going to inhale, filling up as your hands pass your abdomen, filling the abdomen, raising the rib cage, continuing to inhale so the upper chest rises up. Reach up to the sky, and now begin to exhale. As the hands pass the upper chest, you're pushing the air down, passes over the rib cage, pushing the air down. As it passes the abdomen, emptying your lungs. Now this time, as you begin to inhale, imagine your hands are sending energy and joy into your body. So you're moving up and you're reaching up to the sky, and now as you begin to exhale, you're pushing out all stress, all tiredness, all anxiety out of your body, out of your mind, out of your system. And then as you come up, imagine your hands are sending energy and joy. As you continue the breathing, sending energy and joy into your body cells, into your heart, into your brain, reaching up, and now again pushing out. Your hands are like magnets, pushing out all negativity, all tiredness, all stress, all anxiety. And then as you come back up, again inhaling, your hands are sending joy, peace, serenity, calmness, love, abundance, all good as you reach up. Good, good. One more. Now do this on your own. Do it on your own, combining breathing with the movement. Reaching up, and now pushing out anything you don't want in your consciousness. While you exhale, and then coming up, hands passing the abdomen and stomach, filling your whole body with energy and joy, filling the whole lungs. This time as you reach up, I want you to imagine that light shoots out of your hands, surrounding and enfolding your whole body and being in light. And now stand for a moment and just feel that sense of calmness, that sense of well-being. This is an amazing combination of breath and movement to help bring you this feeling of peace and calmness and joy and well-being, which is your true nature as a spiritual being. And you can access this inner poise, this inner power, this inner joy anytime that you choose. This is a tool that's an ancient tool, an ancient technique that is now yours to apply to your life. Enjoy.